Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Kakinada location. It is from Andhra Pradesh. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So, firstly, there is a job opening for manager. So, it is from Alana Group. So, it will be a temporary as a mid-senior level. So, this job role has the right number and the type of talent to execute plant strategy and achieve desired business results, and also ensures plant establishes and maintains a positive work environment and operates in support of company values and assists in successful implementation of global HR business process within the plant and ensures plant compliance with HR related legal and regulatory guidelines, and you need to help set up plant operation at a greenfield project and also work on licensing with the government authorities and establishes a presence on the plant floor and proactively resolve employee relations issues in a fair and consistent manner that protects the needs of the plant to operate in an effective and efficient manner. So, and at least you should be having 4 to 5 years of experience in handling business unit, IR exposure knowledge, and also knowledge of HR is required. So please check with about the job description mentioned here. So if you want to apply for this manager position, the link is available in the description to apply. So you can check in the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for relationship manager position. So it is from Exide Life Insurance. So it will be a full-time job as associate. So coming to required skills, like GL to work in sales, and you must have done graduation, and you should be having two-wheeler and also smartphone. So coming to desired skills and experience, so you must having the knowledge on sales, customer relations, performance consulting, sales process, insurance, cold calling, banking, direct sales, marketing, and sales presentations. So these are the required skills and experience details for this relationship manager position. So if you want to apply for this position, I have provided the links in the description, so you can check over there. Next one, there is a job opening for technical recruiter position. So it is from Indotronics International Corporation. So they have openings for IT recruiter in Kakinada. So for this 1 to 6 years of experienced candidates are required. So interested candidates, you can check in the description to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for talent acquisition recruiter position. So it is from Indotronics Avani Group. So for this position, you should be having 1 to 8 years of experience in US recruitment process. So you can also check here with the shift timings, that is 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. IST. So coming to job description, the recruiter is mainly responsible for sourcing and recruiting technical professionals for consulting opportunities for their clients and review and analysis active client requirements to source and identify candidates for open positions, utilizes multiple internet resources including social networking techniques to source candidates, conduct phone and in-person interviews to evaluate candidates, fit and technical competence, and present career opportunities to qualified applicants, build and maintain strong relationships with contract employees and vendors, and you need to participate in daily huddles where you will collaborate with management, peers, and account managers to ensure all active requirements are covered and potential closes are managed successfully. So this is about the job description. So it is for Hyderabad, Vizag, Kakinada, and remote locations. So salary will be best in the market. So you should be having excellent communication skills and also working on W2 requirements. So these are all the details about this position. So the link is available in the description to apply for this position. So you can check over there. Next one, there is a job opening for Agency Development Manager position. So it is for SBI Life Insurance Co Limited. So it will be a full-time job, and it is like mid-senior level. So coming to role, achieving unit business goals through quality recruitment and training of insurance advisors, and develop business segments as per company strategy with compliance. So you need to report to branch sales manager or assistant BSM or senior BSM or divisional sales manager or senior DSM. So coming to key responsibilities, so you need to recruit team of insurance advisors as per the corporate strategy, and to ensure and maintain levels of productivity as prescribed, and to focus on and develop various business segments as per the sales strategy, and to train IAS with the help of training team, and to uphold the brand image and ensure compliance with all internal as well as external regulations. So coming to qualification, graduate with minimum 1 year of sales experience is required, and also experience in life insurance industry is also preferred. So interested candidates to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there are many job vacancies are available from Time Institute. So it is located in Kakinada. So it will be all the full-time jobs as associate. Like for all these positions, you should be having 2 to 5 years of experience. So let us discuss one by one in detail here. So firstly, they have vacancies for the quant faculty position. So it will be either full-time or part-time. So coming to profile, engineers from premier institutes with good academic background is preferred, or BSc or MSc is education qualifications in maths. So teaching experience of at least 2 years will be preferred, and but not mandatory. So good communication skills are required, and the candidates who have earlier appeared in bank or SSC, CGLE or RRB and has cleared the written or online exam may also apply for this quant faculty position. So next one, for logical reasoning faculty is required. So it is also like either full-time or part-time. So coming to desired profile, so graduates and postgraduate candidates in any discipline are eligible, and also teaching experience is desirable, and good communication skills. So the candidates who had earlier appeared for CAT and secured good percentiles may also apply for this profile, such as logical reasoning faculty profile. So coming to third one, they have also having the vacancies for the English faculty. So coming to desired profile, qualification would be BA, MA, MPhil, PhD in English literature or English language. Minimum experience will be 2 years, and you should be having good communication skills. So the candidates who had earlier appeared for bank, SSC, CGLE or RRB and cleared the exam like written or online exam may also apply for this English faculty position. Next one, they have also vacancies for the faculty position. So it is like either full-time or part-time. So it is for the faculty to take classes in general awareness for bank exams. So for these positions, the experience is at least 1 year is preferable, and good communication skills are required. And the candidates preparing for civil services or APPSC exams can also apply for this position. So next one, final, there is a job opening for center counselor position. So it is for only female candidates. So coming to desired profile, keeping track of daily inquiries, counseling the prospective students and informing them of their courses, and handling admission related responsibilities. And you need to maintain the materials of enrolled students, reporting of students data and performance, and coordination of classes and faculty. Communication skills in English and Telugu is required, and telecalling skills are mandatory to work on Saturday and Sunday. So interested candidates to apply for the positions mentioned here. So you can send your resumes to the provided mail IDs. First one, kakinada@timeforeducation.com or naresh.babu@timeforeducation.com. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive position. It is from Nairos Technologies as a full-time. So coming to responsibilities, find prospects and leads, learn details about their products and services, and you need to understand all the prospects' needs, problems, or wants, and explain how their solutions align with their pain points. And you need to meet with potential clients and act as their consultant and upsell when appropriate, follow up with hot. So coming to requirements, the ability and desire to sell, excellent communication skills are required, and a positive, confident, and determined approach, and resilience and the ability to cope with rejection, and a high degree of self-motivation and ambition, the skills to work both independently and as a part of a team. So these are the requirements. So coming to desired skills and experience, you should be having knowledge in corporate sales, direct sales, and sales. So interested candidates to apply for this sales executive position, you can check in the description for the link to apply. Next one, there is a job opening for sales officer position. So it is from Upgrad Recruit. So it will be a full-time job as entry level. So coming to desired candidate profile, so education qualification would be any graduate in, like, graduation is mandatory. So undergraduate candidates are not eligible for this position, and fresher candidates are eligible, and also up to 3 years of experience, experienced candidates are also eligible to apply for this position. So it will be like any BFSI or any sales, expect tele sales or showroom sales. So the age limit should be 22 to 30 years. So two-wheeler with a valid license is mandatory for this position. So coming to role proficiencies, good communication skills are required in both verbal and written skills in both English and also local language, and excellent lead generation and conversion skills are required, and ability to handle pressure and meet deadlines, and ability to work successfully as a part of a team, and high sales orientation to meet the sales targets consistently. So coming to responsibility, so it will be like identify sales opportunities for both the bank and third party products by acquiring new customers and building new relationships, and you need to manage business relations with existing customers to increase the depth of existing relationships, and also you need to achieve sales targets as assigned by the organization on a monthly basis, and record and track all engagement activities through the CRM system, and comply with the KYC or SEBI rules, regulations, and legislation governing the financial services industry. So these are the key responsibilities and the skills required for this position. So interested candidates to apply for this position, I have provided the link in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for business developer position. So it is from Nairos Technologies. So it will be a full-time job as associate. So coming to requirements, the education qualification will be bachelor's degree, and you should be having knowledge of bidding portals and like getting projects or making new clients for the company, and bringing new projects through bidding, client communication, proposal making or writing, and you should be having excellent communication and interpersonal skills, and fly for business development, and sound knowledge of IT terminologies, and business development knowledge is also required for this position. So coming to responsibilities, like you need to generate business via portals like Upwork and others, and make cold calls to explore new business opportunities and interact with clients, and should have knowledge of web development company, and explore and develop new business opportunities and understand clients requirement and acquisition, develop relationships with prospective clients while maintaining existing client relationships, and negotiate contract terms with the clients and communicate terms to stakeholders. So these are the responsibilities and the requirements for this business developer position. So if you are interested to apply, So you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.